problem?
I was coming back today and the police stopped me. And the car that you bought for me is not even in my name. Why, please?
Babe, I'm confused. What's wrong with that?
What's wrong with that? Do you even love me at all? Is the car really mine? Or you just borrowed me the car? Why is it your name and not my name?
Babe, I don't understand. Eh? Since when is the name of the person registered in any of our property in this house a problem?
Am I your wife at all? Or just baby making machine for you? I cannot be driving a car knowing fully well it's not in my name, but in your name. Never. I can't do that.
Are you okay? Eh? Who is advising you? This house now, is it in your name?
No.
Oh, but you call it your house. You even call it our house. All the property in this house, is it in your name?
No.
But you call it our property.
Okay.
Isn't this our kitchen? Nobody joke with you with this kitchen, but you call it your kitchen. Eh? What's the problem? Not be married, why marry you? When make you change die your papa ugly son name? Yeah? What's it called again? Nsobode. But the sweetest son name in the world. Now you are being called Miss Sobona. And yet you are not happy. What do you want? What's the problem?
No, it's not like that. Anything can happen tomorrow. What if you break up now? I will leave empty-handed. Or you die now. Your family will not come and take everything from me. Nothing in my name. It's not fair.
So you want to buy me?
God forbid.
What did I do to you?
Again?
Eh?
God
Oh,
forbid.
you have been planning to leave. You want to leave. You want to leave me. Am I not doing enough? Eh? And besides, are you God to know both of us who go best buy?
No, baby, go for party, no. I'm not wishing you death, oh. I'm not leaving you.
When I married you, we became one. Everything I have is yours. You are my wife, my number one priority. Eh? I always make sure you have the best. But the way you sound now, I don't know who you are anymore. See, for now, don't cook my food anymore. Eh? You'll be sleeping in the other room, I'll be sleeping here. Bam. I'm calling our both parents.